Here is our fifth problem, x squared minus x minus 6, and we're going to do everything by hand just so we see how it's done. So we write a straight line across, and that straight line comes down by the x, this one comes down by the second x, and a third one over here. So then we say to ourselves, this is a little multiplication sign, and equals 1. This sign comes down here, minus. This sign comes down here, minus. The number here is a 1, so we write 1 over here, and this number over here comes over 6. The first question we ask ourselves is what times minus equals minus, and the answer is plus. 1 times 6 is 6. What are we looking for? The difference here, that's 5. That's not right. 2 goes into 6, and we have a 3. Looking for the difference is a 1. That's right, so we're done. So x squared minus x minus 6 equals x plus 2, x minus 3. Done. Here is a sixth problem, x squared minus 14x minus 15. So we draw our straight line across, and our first one under the x, next one under the next one, and over here under the 15. We get our little x here for multiplication equals 1. We bring down our sign, minus. This sign, minus. This number comes over here, 14, and 15 comes down here. Our first question is what times minus equals minus? The answer is plus. And 1 to 15, we're looking for the difference, is 14. Oh, we're already done. So x squared minus 14x minus 15 equals x plus 1. X minus 15. Done. Now this last problem actually will not factor, but we need to see how that happens and how we can see that it's not going to factor. So let's start normally. Factor x squared minus x minus 15. Draw our little table. Under x squared comes a line, under x comes a line, and under the constant comes a line. Put in our little symbol for multiplication, equals, and 1. Bring down our sign, minus, and our second sign, minus. This is this coefficient. What's hiding there? A 1. This one comes down here, 15. Ask ourselves, what times minus equals minus? And the answer is plus. Times minus equals minus, and start to work. So we're looking for difference here. 15 minus 1 is 14. That's not equal to 1. Next 2, does 2 go into 15? No. So then 3 goes into 15 5 times. Difference between 3 and 5 is 2, not equal to 1. And then 4 doesn't go into 15. So the next number is 5, but we already see a 5 here. 5 goes into 15, this is going to be 3. We're starting to repeat factors. That's how we know we need to stop. The minute we see the factors start to go backwards, to repeat backwards, we stop. And we can write down that this does not have whole number factors. There is no way to factor this using whole numbers. And that's our scheme for how to find the factors and their signs.